Attention all business owners. Are you tired of not getting the results you want from your online advertising campaigns? Do you want to take your business to the next level? Look no further than AdZuma. AdZuma is the digital advertising platform that offers advertising solutions for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, AdZuma has the tools to help you succeed. One of the most important aspects of online advertising is choosing the right keywords for your website. This can be a daunting task, but AdZuma makes it easy. With AdZuma's keyword research tool, you can quickly and easily find the keywords that are most relevant for your business. This tool provides insight into how often certain words are searched and how those searches have changed over time, helping you narrow down the keywords to use in your ad campaign. But why are keywords so important? Well, keywords are the words or phrases that users search for on search engines like Google or Bing. By targeting the right keywords, you can ensure that your ads appear at the top of the page when people search for them. AdZuma provides different types of keywords that you can use in your PPC campaign, all of which can provide influence over how effective your campaign is. So if you want to take your online advertising to the next level, try AdZuma today. With its powerful keyword research tool and other features, AdZuma has everything you need to succeed. There is much more and you have to see for yourself. There is a link in the description that will take you to a special offer to assist you. AdZuma, your partner in digital advertising.